Hello and welcome everyone. This is my 4 months old Samsung Galaxy A16 5G phone. Now I use this phone to shoot my YouTube videos and edit my videos. The color of this phone is blue black. The storage in this phone is 128 GB and the RAM is 6 GB. This phone also comes with 8 GB RAM size and 128 GB storage size. When I bought this phone, the operating system in this phone was Android 15. The CPU model in this phone is Snapdragon and the CPU speed is 2 GHz. It has 6.7 inches Full HD and Super AMOLED display and a contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1. If you talk about the cameras, it has 50 megapixel triple camera with ultra wide lens and a 13 megapixel high resolution front camera. The manufacturer offers 6 times of operating system upgrades and 6 years of security updates. It has dual SIM card slots and the connector type is USB Type-C. The biometric security feature for fingerprint recognition is provided in the side in the power button. The company claims the phone to be water resistant. You get other features in this phone like GPS, fast charging support, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi, USB OTG support and Bluetooth. My experience for this phone in 4 months that this phone is best phone if you intended to buy a budget phone for a long term like 6 to 8 years. A best phone for general video recordings and editings. If this phone had a longer storage size, it would be a perfect phone. That's everything for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.